Then check this out. Ready now?
Hey people, Kerry here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT. Alright guys, so guys, the reason that we promote the $25 business because it's affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income. I mean, you get paid 80% of the sales that you bring in every single month, guys. You can make you a real nice bit of income doing that. All right, so that's why we promote it. So if you're interested, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. So the first thing foremost that we're gonna do, guys, is that we're gonna look and see if we get a sale. It looks like we did not get a sale, but we're gonna refresh the page to make sure you guys see real results here, and we're gonna just flash that. Let's go. All right guys, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. Totally fine. So the first thing we want to do for you guys to get started on this is that we want to get you your links here, guys, and this is the link that I personally use. You can use any link that you want. This is the one I use just in case you're interested. All right, so the first thing you need you guys to do, I need you guys to go into the description. You're gonna see step 1, incomespeech.com. Click on that link. It's gonna take you to this page here. Now what this page here is the sales letter for the $25 business here, guys. It talks about what it is, how much money you can make, and if you're interested, it is a funnel builder. You can use it to build funnels, and what funnel builders are is a bunch of websites lined up to get you to buy something. All right, so you guys, if you are interested in trying that out, it's a fantastic deal because the most popular funnel builder out there right now is ClickFunnels, which is like $100 per month. This is $25 per month. All right, save a ton of money using this system here. All right guys, and also you can make up to $120 monthly commission, guys, on this product if you start trying to promote it and stuff. Also, they give it to charity if you're interested in that. So anyway guys, you can read through this all you want, and if you're interested, just click on yes I want in. All right, you click on yes I want in, first name, blah blah blah. All right, you put all your information in there. And what I want to show you guys, if you click on my link, you get this for 14 days for free. And this is HBA Premium, which is traffic for like Facebook ads, Facebook group, YouTube, podcasting, blogging, LinkedIn solo ads, Instagram, all that stuff, right? And it also comes with an AI content creation machine and all that to help you get started with social media promoting this product. All right guys, any kind of social media you're interested in to promote this product, it shows you how to do it correctly. The information is constantly updated just based on rules, and if they find something else or they find another social media that works well or whatever it may be, right? So yeah, that's how they promote it, and you can get that product 14 days free. And the most amazing thing about this product and getting this for 14 days for free is that if you get a sale with it, you can keep that $100. Like I said before, it's 80% commission, so you keep $100 with this product here, even if you don't technically have the product yet, which is absolutely fantastic, guys. All right, now what I'm going to show you guys is the absolute easiest way to promote this product that I found, period, that works. All right guys, easiest way. It takes about 5 seconds, 30 seconds a day once you got it all set up. 30 seconds a day, guys. All right, so first and foremost, you're going to click on my second link there. It's going to take you to My Lead Gen Secrets. You're going to get to a page or something like this. Now what My Lead Gen Secrets is, you get 100 leads per day. You can email once per day, and they all interested in making money online. Okay, all right, sorry about that guys, that's my internet telling me, hey, maintenance. All right, so anyway, what you want to do, you're going to come into this, you're going to come in, make your account, blah blah blah, very easy. And you want to select all your leads here, and we're going to use a lead, we're going to use an email that ChatGPT has written for us, guys. So we're just going to upload that, and we're going to copy my face. Want to copy my face. You don't need to do this, guys, but I'm just doing it just to put it on the next email I use here. You don't gotta do it though. You really don't have to do it. I just figure it might work better. I'm testing it out to see if it works better or not. I'm kind of getting similar results, to be honest. So I don't think it really works that well, but I just want to go and try it out. So anyway, we're just gonna upload our next email, put it in the system there, and we're gonna just go ahead and put my photo in real quick. Second, boom, boom. smaller, too big, boom, boom. All right, so that's the email there, got it in there. So make sure you hit perfect timing. What that does, send an email around the time people check emails, and make sure you go to preview and make sure you click on this to make sure your link works, guys. You want to make sure your link works because you can't get no money if your link doesn't work. Now this is the whole email. If you're interested in copying the email, you can just pause it right here and copy the email that ChatGPT has written for us, guys. All right, and I don't mind you copying it at all. Send all kinds of emails all the time. I'm thinking about making a new set of emails to send after this one here, because this one here, you know, just to put some new flavor on the system, you know. But anyway, guys, that's all there is to it. But like I stated before, you only need about 15 emails and you can go on there with it. We're gonna send that email like that. We're done, guys. That's all it takes. And honestly, like I stated before, it only takes about 30 seconds per day once you get a bunch of emails in there, and that's true. I might start using some different sets of emails, guys, for you guys, and show you guys ChatGPT actually making the email. I was just re-uploading emails that ChatGPT had written for me, but I'm thinking about just making emails again with the system there. Now you guys, I want to explain something to you. Consistency is key when it comes to making money online, guys. So these are the 3 ways. This is the way I would go about trying to promote this product for real, like really hard. And that is shorts on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Those 3 sites in particular. You could try other sites, but those 3 are in particular very easy to get viral on. All right, so you're gonna post shorts at least every day, at least once a day. I recommend 3 times a day, over and over again on each site. Eventually something's gonna go viral. You'll never have to worry about money again. All right, so that's all there is to it. Don't worry about how nice your video looks and how edited it is and all that stuff. Just make sure you posting. Don't hesitate to not post it because you think it don't look good enough, or you think it don't sound good enough, or the quote ain't good enough. Just keep posting. Post. All right, that's the way you get money online. All right, guys. So anyway, guys, that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.